Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add Uber income to your tax return in Australia. Now first of all, Uber drivers are considered independent contractors. So you need to manage your own taxes. So you need to register for an Australian business number, okay, an ABN. And then you need a GST, a goods and services tax. And then you basically report your income and you're able to claim tax deductions. Now, to lodge your tax return online, you can use MyTax, or you could, use this through your MyGov account. And when you complete your tax return, you need to declare your income as a business income. Okay? And, you know, this will include your business expenses to basically reduce your taxable income. And if you are unsure about your tax obligations or you want to ensure you're maximizing your deductions, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and seek the assistance of a qualified tax agent or accountant that will actually help you with both your annual tax return and your quarterly BAS lodgings. Okay? Then you can go ahead and consult with them. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.